Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I have the September kit from Echo Park, their monthly subscription box, and it's sort of a scrapbooking card making kit. I didn't receive it until October, so I'm sorry I'm showing this to you too late, but this collection might not be available still in a monthly subscription, but they definitely have all of the pieces that you can purchase on their site, and so I'll link to their site below. So it's called Hello Autumn. It has an inspiration sheet. And haven't looked at it yet. I'm getting ready to take a trip and I've been a little crazy. I love these tags. It's a mini album tags. That's so cute. Okay. And then it's talking about future. I know that they have a stamp kit also, and I looked and it is very much a Merry Christmas stamp set, and they have a stamp of the month. I've never subscribed to, but they do have that. Okay. So let's open this up. Take a look. I'm so excited because guess what? They added the 6x6 paper pad back in. They had taken that out, and I was really bummed about that because it's one of the things I really enjoy. They are double-sided papers. So let me see if I can't flip through. Look at how gorgeous these are. The colors. I know my camera does not pick up colors the way it should, but look at that. So pretty. I love this blue color too that they've added. These little cards. Perfect for greeting cards and mini albums. I love these colors. So pretty. My favorite color is October. That's cute. Thankful and grateful and blessed. Pumpkins, 25 cents. No, they're not. They never are 25 cents, are they? And these are like little, acorns. Cute. I have my contacts in because I'm traveling by plane, and so I have to put my old lady glasses on. Oh, look at those pies. So cute. Things are just not as clear. I love that color, that rust color. These are just beautiful. And I think they're going to repeat. Yes, they're repeating again. So there are 2 of each. So 12 different designs, double-sided, 24 total. So there's 2 of each. All right, so here is the Ephemera pack. And let's see what's in here. Flip through them really quickly. Fall is here. Oh, pretty. Autumn skies and pumpkin pies. Cute. Blessings. Beautiful autumn. And as usual, these pull apart, so you don't have to use it exactly the way it is. Use the frame separately. Here's a tag. This piece pops out. Grateful heart. Or grateful hearts. Thankful and grateful and blessed. Cute on a card, wouldn't it? Farmer's market. Today and tomorrow. Fresh fruit and veggies. That's so cute. Fall day. Fall is my favorite. It really is my favorite too. We don't get much of a fall in Texas, but we do get some cooler days, which is really nice. We tend to, it feels like summer and then a little bit of winter and very little fall and spring for sure. Entrance to the autumn market. How cute. They really, really do a good job. And I think this is Cartabella, actually, this collection. You can tell because the paper is textured. Yeah, it says Cartabella. Textured and thicker than the Echo Park papers are. Blessed. That's cute. I love these. Hello, sweet. So very grateful. Grateful heart. Oh, look at that stitched heart. Pretty in that leaf. Wow, I can't wait to use this. I'm going to visit my mom, and she has a fully loaded craft room, but I'm going to have to bring some papers and things to work on while I'm there. And these videos will get edited and uploaded while I'm at her house. Hopefully that won't be too difficult to do. I think her internet's pretty good. Okay, next are the Puffy Stickers, which are not a real favorite of mine. I know some people like them, but they're not my favorite. These are super cute though, I will say. My favorite color is October. So it's all of the same things, but they've made them into Puffy Stickers. Here are the Enamel Dots. I always end up calling them flat-backed pearls. I guess they're enamel dots, but they are adhesive and flat-backed. So, and I'm going to take everything out of the package. I think it's easier to see with my lighting. And also, I'm getting ready to pack this up and put it in my suitcase. Chipboard accents. These are always super cute. Also. And then what's going to be left after that is some 12 by 12 paper, which will be the same, pretty much double-sided as the 6x6. Look at these. These are adorable. I love that truck. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, that. And then oh, here's another one I missed of the little ephemera pack. Let me open this up, see which side it comes. Open. And there's always a sticker sheet too, full-size sticker sheet. And what I love, I think, the most about the sticker sheet is down at the bottom, there is a full strip down here. And let's see how thick this one is. It's pretty good size. So it could be on a 12 by 12 layout, whatever you wanted to do with it. Look at these. I love those little flags. All cute. It's not joy that make us grateful. It's not joy that make us grateful. It's gratitude that makes us joyful. Okay, I think there should be an S there. It's not joy that makes us grateful. Okay. Need to get a spell check there. Okay, so it's the same paper, double-sided, but I think you're only going to see one of each sheet. Oh my gosh, look at that for a 12 by 12 layout. I haven't 12 by 12 scrapbooked in a very long time, but I really feel like I've got some pumpkin patch pictures of my grandchildren that I need to do. I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. And then it always has these zip strips down here that have useful stuff. That Hello Autumn, I would absolutely use that. Love that. And I love that the back side is a nice layer for a card too. These are good, thick papers. And like I said, textured because they're the Cardabella. Okay, I'm making a lot of unnecessary noise. I love this. I don't know if you could see it, but it's kind of like a brushed, distressed look. And look at all these cut aparts. Sweater weather from the heart. Cute. And this has got all the hot hay rides. Are hay rides hot? Chocolate, fuzzy, pumpkins. Okay, maybe that hot goes with the chocolate underneath. All right, that makes more sense. Colored leaves, apples, pumpkins. I mean, it just has a lot of cute stuff. And then has these big pieces on the back, which are perfect for like a 4x6 mini album. And I might be putting together a few of the mini albums for my Etsy shop while I'm at my mom's too. Those are kind of an easy thing to do with her. You know, you get to someone else's house, and even though, yes, she has a full craft room, it's not my adhesives that I choose, and it's not my, my favorite scissors, that kind of thing. But it will still, we have a lot of fun. We just turn the TV on with some sappy movies, and we craft away. So I'm looking forward to doing something with this, and of course I'll come back and show you some things I've made with it, hopefully, if I don't run out of time in the month to use it. But this is a really, this Hello Autumn is a cute, cute Cardabella collection. Like I said, I will link to the collection below so you can look at all the different pieces. There's probably even more than this that they just don't include in this kit. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and happy crafting.